Hello everyone, I'm David from Tongdy. Now I want to introduce you our new embedded professional air monitor EM21. The EM21 can monitor PM 2.5, PM 10, CO2, TVOC, temperature and humidity, and HCHO. This monitor meets commercial Class B standards, and outfit is very beautiful and stylish, especially suitable for the office using and commercial buildings. This production can display the real-time data of the monitoring on the screen with 24 hours online, and it can also show you the various monitoring parameters. EM21 has Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and RS485 interface options. Real-time and historical data can be viewed through the RS485 through our Tongdy platform in computer or mobile phone. It can be connected with fresh air equipment or purification equipment. This monitor can integrate it into the wall. It can also be used with the surface-mounted tilt box to achieve the wall-mounted or desktop placement. If you are interested in our new productions, please visit our website www.iqtongdy.com or contact me directly.